What is up, everybody? Okay, so in this one, I just want to I try and do this every year to see what you guys want to learn, guys and girls. What do you want to learn? Um, you want to stay more in the dev stuff? Do you like the stuff that I do where I show you what I use, so we can wade through all the stuff in the shops, in the stores? Do you like the CC stuff, the character creator stuff? Do you like to build characters? Do you want to learn more about characters? Do you want to get into iClone? How to animate these things really well and get this all into Unreal Engine or Maya or whatever the hell you want? Do you want to get into Unreal Engine? There is so much that there is to learn about Unreal Engine. It's endless. Do you want to get into metahumans? How to do custom characters? How to start extracting DNA from other programs to use with metahumans? How to animate them, to attach the rigs, to build sceneries, to light, tricks of Unreal Engine. What is it, love? What is it? Like if you're Ari, right? You want to learn how to get rid of Margaret. So let me know what you would like to learn, and let's stick to like a little bit of a finer thing. At the moment, we've been doing some devs. We've been doing some CC, iClone, Unreal, and whatnot. What about AI? Is this something you guys would be interested in getting into? I mean, I don't use it for any personal works, but for work, I use it a lot, and I like it. I like it a lot. Some really useful tools in there, creating things, doing things, not for the actual art, but man, it can boost everything you do, which is pretty cool. But at the end of the day, it's still using your own hands to create art and whatnot. Are you? Go to L with the AI. It looks like Margaret's face. So tell me what you think, what you like. I wouldn't mind getting into like just starting with you and showing you that it's actually incredibly helpful, but not for everything. It's still as dumb as hell, but there's some pretty cool things you can do with it, and it can help you in day-to-day life. So, where do we want to take it? Where do we want to go? What do you want to learn? Let me know in the comments below where you want to go and what you want to learn the most, and we can go from there and start learning some cool stuff. Anyway, thank you for joining. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I'll speak to you later. Bye, guys.